Hygiene is critical to positive healthcare outcomes. That's why our team is constantly at work developing new products to help users maximize their hygiene, while also helping products stay clean and last longer. The Preserve Tech Secure Lock raised toilet seat adds 5 inches of height to any regular toilet seat for comfortable use after surgery or injury. It features built-in antimicrobial properties to help minimize the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria and mold. Stay clean on the go with Hurry Shield. The convenient clip-on storage option comes stocked with a washable face mask, touchless key, gloves, disinfected wipes, and hand sanitizer. The 3-in-1 folding commode chair can be used as a self-contained commode over a standard toilet, or as a shower chair to allow mobility-impaired individuals to toilet and shower safely and in comfort. For more information on any of our products, contact Drive DeVilbiss Healthcare. Stay tuned for the final video in our innovation series, Look Good, Feel Good.